What's up, guys? It's Ken here with Backbodymystery doing a review on a Bayonetta Bloody Fate box. I got this at a local toy store, caught it on a deep sale, so had to check it out. Let's see what we got in here. If you like this content that you're seeing, subscribe to the channel and slap all notifications. Let's get it open. This box is completely blind. I don't know what could be in here. So the first item in this box, this is going to be one of the Bayonetta characters. That is a plushie. Let's check that out. That's pretty cool there. All right, second item in this box. Check out that item there. Pretty cool keychain. Third item is going to be the GameStop exclusive, the gun set. Check out that. Check out the back. So that's pretty cool there. Let's get these open. Check all of those out. First Funko Pop. Check out that one there. This is one out of the two. Let's get it open. All right. That one is pretty cool. I like the detail on this pop. That's pretty dope. That one's pretty cool there. That is pretty cool. Bayonetta. Again, both out of the set, but one out of two, but I got both sets here. Check her out there. Pretty detailed herself. Paint looks pretty good. Like how her hair comes down in the back. Hair wrapping. We have the two pop characters. We have the plushie. 4 gun sets. And then the keychain as well. Slap all notifications. Slap subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time.